of Sabah. Okay. As we know, okay. Before that, I want to inform you that our school, okay, during this school holiday, our school is organizing a trip to Sabah. I believe that you want to go to Sabah, right?
Yes!
Now just imagine that you are in Sabah. Okay? Welcome to Sabah. Okay, imagine you are in Sabah. Okay, now. Okay, Sabah also known as land of the wind. Okay, land below the wind. Okay, wind. Okay, could you please tell? Okay, could you please read this? Okay, what is it?
Land below the wind.
Okay, very good. Land below the
Wind.
Okay, it is situated in the island of
Borneo.
Okay. Okay, could you please read this?
Island of Borneo.
Okay, very good. Island of
Borneo.
Okay, Sabah has beautiful, amazing rainforest. Okay, rainforest.
Rainforest.
Okay, the capital of Sabah is
Kota Kinabalu.
Kota Kinabalu. It is also a beautiful place to visit. Okay, there is the one place to visit. Okay. Okay, now I will show you the mountain of Kinabalu. Okay. Full height. Okay. This mountain is very high. It is the tallest mountain in Malaysia. Okay, it is the tallest mountain in Malaysia. Okay, if you go to Sabah, you can do a lot of interesting activities. Okay, such as water rafting. Could you please say it?
Water rafting.
Okay, water rafting. You know what the water rafting? No. Okay, water rafting. Okay, this is water rafting. It is quite interesting and it is very challenging activity. Okay, if you want to involve these activities, you have to be strong. Okay, brave. Okay, what else? What else? Brave. Strong and what else? And also the person who wants to involve in this activity, they have a lot of challenging. Okay, they have a lot of challenging because you will facing the big wave. Okay, whatever. Okay, do you like water rafting?
Yes!
Okay, water rafting. Okay, water rafting. This one is water
Kinabalu.
Okay, besides that, you also can do river cruising. Okay, river cruising. This is the activity, and also this is about diving. Do you know what the diving is?
Yes!
The diving is challenging too. And you have to go deep of the sea. Okay? Diving. So you have to wear the goggles, swimming suit. Okay? Okay, now I would like to tell you about a few places of interest. Okay, places of interest. There are several places of interest in Sabah. Okay, such as okay, you can see the one of the places of interest is Mount Kinabalu. As I said just now, Gunung Kinabalu in Mount Kinabalu. Okay, Sabah also has mountain. Okay, and then in Kota Kinabalu also, okay, we can see a lot of species. Okay, a lot of species of flora and fauna. Okay, flora and fauna. What do you know about the flora? Okay, flora is about flowers, and fauna is animal. Okay, very good. Okay, it also, okay, in Mount Kinabalu, okay, if you stay in Mount Kinabalu, you can do camping. Okay, because it is a lot of beautiful scenery. Okay, when you spend your night in at Mount Kinabalu, you can do a lot of activities such as camping. Okay, orangutan sanctuary. Reserve below orangutan sanctuary. That is the place where the turtle we can keep we can protect the turtle. Sorry. As I said just now is flora and fauna. Okay, could you please pronounce this? Dance. Okay. Okay, could you please take out your English book, English textbook, page 74. Okay, if your friend don't have the textbook, I want you to share with your friend. Okay, page 74. Okay. Okay, you can see also Mount Kinabalu in your textbook, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, the second places of interest in Sabah is Sipadan Island. Okay, Sipadan Island. This is a very beautiful island which is a perfect getaway. Okay, Sipadan Island. Okay, the same on Kinabalu. Okay. Okay, if you go to the Sipadan Island, okay, let's say most of the tourists, okay, like to go the Sipadan Island because they can see many turtles and then coral reefs. Okay, how do you pronounce it?
Coral reefs.
Okay, coral reef.
Coral reefs.
Okay, who can tell me what the coral reef is? You don't know? Okay, so let me show you the picture about the coral reef. Is it beautiful?
Yes.
You can see colorful coral, right?
Yes.
You know what the turtles?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, as we know, Sipadan Island has a lot of island. Okay, and okay, this is a beautiful island with a perfect getaway. Now look at in your textbook. Okay, about Sipadan Island. Okay, who would like to read for me about the Sipadan Island? Who would like to read for your class? Okay, Aidi, please read.
This is a beautiful island which is a perfect getaway. Tourists can look at turtles and coral reefs while snorkeling, swimming or diving. There are 3,000 species of fish among the colorful coral species.
Okay, very good. Places of interest is Sepilok Orang Utan Sanctuary. Okay, that is where the orangutan, many species of orangutan live here. Okay. Okay, what is this? Orangutan. Okay, can you see the beautiful faces?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, as we know, Sepilok Orangutan Sanctuary is the largest orangutan sanctuary in the world. So very amazing that our country has the largest orangutan sanctuary in the world. So you have to be proud to be Malaysian. Okay. Now you can also see different type of bird flying. Okay.
Sanctuary.
Okay, sanctuary. Okay, as we know, sanctuary is a place that provides shelter or protection for turtles. Okay. Okay, bird flying. Okay, bird flying. As I mentioned just now. Okay, which places that we can see the bird flying? Which one? No. Sepilok Orangutan. You can see also bird flying. Very interesting. Okay, if you want to get there, okay, you can contact Sabah Department, and then you can search website or email to the Sabah Department. Okay, now close your book. Okay, close your book. I have a few activities today. Okay, I will give you a few words, and then I want you to listen carefully my question. Okay, you can open the plastic. Okay, take this. Okay, I want you to do in group. Okay. You come in front and then face the answer. Okay, don't do that yet. Okay, listen again my question. Okay, what is the Sabah known as? Okay, down. Group leader. The faster is the winner. Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's play the game. Okay, now you have four groups. Okay, I want you to choose a group leader. Who is the group leader in your group? Okay, I want you to choose. Okay, this group. Who is the group leader? Okay, Adiba, this group. Okay, Najiha, this group. Mu'az. Okay, Mu'az. And then the first group. Fatisha. Okay, Fatisha. Okay, now I want you to listen to my question carefully. Okay? What is Sabah also known as?
Land below the wind.
Okay. Wait, Okay. Okay, let's say this group 1. Okay, group 2. Okay, come here and then say the answer. Okay, listen carefully. My second question. Okay, tell me a few activities you can do in Sipadan Island. Okay, group 3 is the leader. Okay, now okay, as you see just now, group 3 is the winner because they are very fast to face the answer here. Okay, my next question is, what are the 3 ways to get more information about Sabah? Okay, if you want to know more detail about Sabah, you can contact Sabah Department. You have to looking or search the website or email to the Sabah Department. Okay. Now I have okay. Let's say please. Okay, let's say here. Okay, could you please read this?
Land below the wind. Snorkeling, diving, swimming, river cruising. On that website, email.
Okay, very good. So, okay. What is this?
Coral reefs.
Okay, coral reef. Okay, what is this?
River cruising.
Okay, river cruising. Okay, river cruising. Okay, what is this?
Diving.
Snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay, snorkeling. Sorry, diving. Sorry, diving. Okay. And this is a
Diving.
snorkeling. Snorkeling. Okay, snorkeling. you to do these activities regarding to your previous knowledge. Okay? Okay, you can put away. Okay, please keep away your textbook. Keep away your textbook. Okay, I believe that on your hand you have a few cards, right? Yes. Okay, now I want you to match the word to their meaning now. Match the word. Okay, you can put the correct sentences on your desk. Please find the meaning of the word. Okay, if you finish, I want you to put up your hands. The book is finished, I want you to put up your hands. I want you to know your information about the meaning of the word. Okay, this group finish. Okay?
Cepatlah. Yes.
Okay, now, okay, I found that this group is the winner. But, okay, let's check the answer. Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, I want you to take out your exercise book. I want you to do the exercise at number 75. Okay, look at page 75. Okay, I want you to do exercise 7. Please do exercise 7. Okay, your answer, you can refer the answer from page 74. Do you have any problem to fill the blanks? Do you know the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, okay, let us discuss about your answer. Okay, Patricia, could you please tell me what can we do in Mount Kinabalu?
We can do a few activities in Mount Kinabalu, such as mountain climbing,
Okay, what else?
sightseeing and camping.
Okay, sightseeing and camping. Okay, very good. Give a clap to her. Okay, now, Aidit, could you please tell me what can you do at Sipadan Island?
We can do a few activities in Sipadan Island, such as locally swimming or diving.
Okay, very good. Is it the correct answer?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Muaz. Okay, could you please tell me what can you do at at Sepilo Orang Utan Sanctuary?
We can do a few activities in Sepilo Orang Utan Sanctuary, such as feeding of the orang utans, see different types of birds, and explore a variety of wild plants.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me what else can we do in Sabah? What else can we do in Sabah? What can we do? Okay, shopping. Okay, what else?
Water cruising. River cruising.
River cruising.
Water ride.
Water rafting. Okay, what else?
Camping.
Yeah?
Camping.
Okay, caving. And then? What else? Snorkeling. Diving. Okay? Now? Okay, do you want to go to Sabah? Yeah. Okay, as we know, Malaysia has a lot of interesting places to visit. Okay, now during school holiday, I'm sure that you would like to go to Sabah, right? And then, okay, next time, I will tell you more about Sarawak. Okay, do you like to listen? Okay, about Sarawak? Of course. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
What is Sabah looking now?
Yes.
If you want to more detail, okay, we can go there during our school holiday. Okay, who would like to go to Sabah? Everybody would like to go to Sabah. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.